Hey, it's Trix! Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do the most ambitious hair color that I have ever tried before, and it is going to be crazy, so stay tuned. But before we get started, I'm sure you can see that my hair is pretty greasy and I have quite a lot of regrowth, so we're going to be bleaching that today, and I'm going to give myself a little bit of a haircut too. I have stopped using my L'Oreal Feria box bleach, I know, hold the applause, and we are now using the Ion Creme bleach and their 20 volume developer. I'm not sponsored by Ion, but I love all their products, especially their developer, because it has conditioning wheat protein. So let's go to the bathroom and get started. As you can see, I still have some neon pink left in my hair from Iro. This color just does not want to get out, so fair warning if you use it. But I have tried 2 different color removers. I tried a bleach bath, which I've never done before, with 10 and 20 volume developer. I have watched several different people try to get this out, and none of them had any success. And I watched AKA Aislin's video. She did not have any success either and ended up just coloring over it. So I'm going to be bleaching over it with some watered down bleach today and just work with whatever I get out of that. Here's my hair all bleached. As you can see, it's a little yellow in the front, but that's okay. I'm gonna just color over it anyway. And the pink is still here. I ended up going over it with some watered down bleach just to make it a little easier to spread, but she's still here. I think it is a little bit lighter. It's definitely coverable, so that's fine. I'm going to be coloring my hair mostly pink anyway next time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Same username here. And thank you so much for 35,000 subscribers. That is so crazy. My goal for this year is 50,000, and hopefully we can make it. So thank you for watching and supporting me. Bye.